How's it going, guys? Today we're looking at YTEN. Very crazy day in the market. Let's look at support and resistances. First one there at $7, and then resistance at there $10.15. Now looking at the higher day charts, no resistance at the 20-day. Moving on to the 1-year chart, first resistance is at there $12.50 and then $14.60. Not the best power hour today, but the overall action made it worthwhile. Taking a look at the news now. So it says yield 10 got a positive response from the USDA. That sort of news, that would always bring the stock price up. We'll just have to see if it's going to be a pump and dump or a pump and continue to go up. All right, guys, that's for YTEN. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.